Hey, how you doing? Justin here with some super exciting news for you. This absolutely gorgeous custom PRS guitar could be yours for just $5. We've got an incredible 29 other prizes for runners up as well. But best of all of the proceeds from this raffle go to my Playin It Forward program, which gets guitars in the hands of people who would love to play but actually can't afford to get started. I know it sounds a little corny, but I've always believed that music has the power to transform lives. Learning an instrument can lift us out of a funk and amplify our happiness. And there are many people that could use that help, but they can't even afford an instrument to get started with. Well, that's where my Playin It Forward program comes in. Thanks to your support, we've been able to send out over 100 guitars so far, changing lives one strum at a time. We've also improved our logistics, and we're now finally delivering guitars to the United States, as well as Europe and the UK, and we're trying to make our reach go even further. I'm super excited to invite you to take part in the JustinGuitar Big Raffle, where for only $5 you'll be in the running to win some incredible prizes, including this PRS Custom. I mean, it is absolutely beautiful. I just received it from Anderton's yesterday. I immediately rang Lee and asked him if he had another one. I'm kind of reluctant to part with it, and I seriously asked if there was something else we could do for the giveaway. It is an absolutely beautiful instrument. Plays great, sounds great. Like, you're going to be the lucky person if you win this. All proceeds from this raffle will go directly to the Playin It Forward program, which, as well as buying guitars for people who can't afford one to get started, it also offers some scholarship programs and supports music-based registered charities. Buy a ticket and you'll be in the running for one of 29 prizes. Of course, the first and the main prize is this absolutely gorgeous PRS. I think it's a custom wood library, custom shop seat, custom 24. I think it's a 24 fret. It really is an absolutely gorgeous instrument. I'm going to be sad to part with it. But anyway, that's the first prize. We've also got 10 guaranteed spots on my Blues Immersion Class 2. It starts in January. It's a 6-month intensive blues guitar course worth $699. We've got 4 private one-on-one classes with me, which crazily are priced at $699 each, but only because all of the money I get from my private lessons all goes directly to this Playin It Forward charity. But these are sessions that can really help you grow. I can make a big change with you in an hour Zoom class with me. And we've also got 14 lifetime passes for the practical music theory course, which are worth $299 each. Access to that premium content forever. By entering this raffle, you're not only in the running for one of these awesome prizes, but you're helping somebody make their first step into the world of guitar, and we all know how much happiness that can bring. And just to be clear, your contribution will go directly to the raffle proceeds and therefore Playin It Forward. The cost of this guitar and the cost of the courses is my expense. I'm not using your contributions to fund those things. So what are you waiting for? Join the JustinGuitar Big Raffle today. Please follow the link in the description for all of the details and terms and conditions. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey. Let's keep Playin It Forward together. Join now and good luck.